Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys this beautiful unit from RPGSHOW. I'm so excited to get into this video so that you guys can see how beginner friendly this unit is. Literally all that I did was cut the lace. It came pre-bleached, pre-plucked. It just looked bomb straight out the box. Let me give you guys the specs. Okay, so this unit is in the texture Yaki. It's 18 inches. It's 200% density, and the lace is tinted transparent Swiss lace in medium brown. Look at the hairline. Like, come on. How much more natural can it get? When I put this on my head, you guys will see I was struggling to cut the lace. The lace was so transparent that I couldn't even see where it began and where it ended. This unit is your holiday hair, okay? If you've been eyeing it, this is a sign to get it. All you have to do is pop it on your head and cut the lace. Like, that's my type of way. Without any further ado, I'm just going to jump straight into the video. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the bald cap method. I'm not gonna voice over this part because I'm sure you guys know how to do it. And if not, it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just gonna fast forward through this process.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations.
So this time I used a razor blade. I haven't really used this before. I usually just use scissors, but I actually really like the way this came out. But y'all, I was struggling so hard because the lace is so transparent. I could not tell where I was cutting. I kept having to pause and get closer to my mirror.
I just need to know that you're okay. Hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah.
So now I'm just going in and adding some curls to this unit. I was surprised at how well this hair held a curl. I didn't even use hairspray. The spray that I was using earlier was a heat protectant and sheen spray. So I was really impressed by the way that these curls came out.
We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know.
Now I'm just using a little bit of hairspray just to hold down those edges, but honestly y'all, it really needed minimal work. This was the easiest install that I've ever done by far, and the most natural one, I think. What do you guys think?
Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wrong.
These units do tend to be a little bit on the pricier side, but you cannot watch this video and tell me that it's not worth it.
You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
So that pretty much concludes the video, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. This unit is so beautiful. Normally I cut layers into my units. I didn't really want to tamper with this too much. I haven't played around with the center part yet, and I want to just play around with the different parting options before I start going in with scissors. But I mean, you don't even really need to cut it. You could just put some curls in it, and as you guys can see, it holds a curl really well. I think that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.
Too caught up in your love.